Hello, everybody. My name is Mihao. I'm a freelance Flutter developer, and today we are going to translate a recipes Dribbble shot of a mobile app into a Flutter app for iOS and Android. Let's see how Cloud for Opus works in action, and yeah. So here's how the design is looking like. And here is the result after coding for about an hour with Cloud for Opus and Windsurf. And here is how the end result is looking like after an extra half an hour optimizing the result with Cloud 3.7 thinking. So let's go. Alright, so let's get one of these recipes apps alive. I find this design actually pretty sick. Let's do it simple in the first place and just implement the screens and maybe the swipe effect and tackle the animations in the next step. So yeah, this one looks actually pretty nice. Let's create an app with very good CLI in the first place. So I'm having here a pre-written prompt. I'm gonna post it as well. Alright, let's open it in Windsurf. Let's tell Claude to memorize all important documentation first. So as Claude was getting familiar with the documentation provided, I just got more credits for Claude. The thing is about Claude, it's not included into your course or Windsurf subscription, so you have to buy credits and use them as your prompting. Claude 4 Opus is pretty expensive. But yeah, if it works well, it's a good investation, I think. So while Claude is busy, let's adjust our prompt. So we are going to have basically two models, I think. The first ingredient model and the recipe model. So let's start with adjusting my prompt. Here at the beginning I included some keywords to replace. Alright, Claude is ready, so let's start with implementing the first package and tell Claude what to do.